Howdy folks, so we've got some resin mixed and debubbled in this machine. If I can get the lid off without knocking it, get the lid off. Right, so that's been in there, debubbling. I'll put that away. We'll do get a layer of this on here, and then we'll do something else behind in the background. Need like a colour or something. There's not much resin left in here. We will be able to get it all around the edges. Hang on, baby. I hear you, baby. Come over here and I'll let you out. Come to the window. Oh, it's a big chunk in it. It's a bit too big for me. It's a bit too big. Can it fit in? Yes, that'll do. This resin stuff is very sticky in it. It makes such a mess. It's like working with polygel. Like a attraction for cat hair, of course. Anything super sticky. Okay guys, so I've got the soap dish. Now I've got one stain that's sticking right up that I think is going to be a problem. But I might be able to sand it off at the end, I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to go in with some glow in the dark, light yellow. I've got orange in this, the base colour. I'm just going to go in with some and then mix with clear. There's a cat hair. Of course there's a cat hair. It's very unlevel on this back. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it work, but we'll try. Trying to make sure that I get in all the way around the edges because there's a lot of little stones to cover. Please excuse me. I'm going to the door. One of my lovely neighbours got my parcel instead of me. He's going to bring it round for me. It's very heavy by the looks of it, poor sod. That'll be another Temu haul. Although I might not film that one because it's probably household, like just food and stuff. I've been buying quite a bit of food and drinks and stuff from Temu. Like I buy glass bottles of Diet Coke for my son because he likes them. So much cheaper than getting them with my local shopping anyway. Anyway, I think I've got about enough covered here. We will then put the light over it. I've still got a few sticking up, but let's see what it does. It will be good. Try and get it rounded off as best I can. Okay, I think that's about as much as I want to put in there. What do you think, guys? Whew, that hurt my hand. I know that sounds silly, but I've got arthritis, so. Some of the bottles are quite hard to squeeze, to be honest. I'm quite getting into the epoxy now as well. The UV's going to be very expensive if I want to do too much of that. It's good for the little items though. Does it look evenly distributed? Oh, it's going over the edge over there. Okay, I'm going to get the light on it. Okay, let's get this on. I'll bring you back when it's finished. Okay, I'll probably have to do this without sound because there's music in the background, but this is the soap dish with the glow in the dark. So if I put the light on it, you'll be able to see the glow in the dark effect. I have actually took some photos of it, but how cool is that? satisfying when it pops off. There is a couple of little bits that are poking up that I think is going to be a problem, but we'll see. We'll see if I can't fix that. Put it out like that. Oh my god, it's so good. I love how you can see them all. Is it going to stand? Yeah, it doesn't do too bad really. It needs a bit of rough, like edging taken off. I'll probably try and sand those down a little bit. But yeah, that's good. Very pleased with it. I love how it looks along the sides. There's a couple of bubbles, which I did kind of expect, but I can fill them in with UV. That's what I'm going to do anyway. That's just the one there. Just one bubble. And there's a bubble there, yeah, there's a bubble. So I'll fill them with UV. But I think that's great, don't you? Ooh, that's pretty, isn't it? I love that. That's so cool. Okay, thanks for joining, guys. Much love. Breathe easy. I will see you again soon. Bye.